Today I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the box method of multiple digit multiplication. If you look up in the corner, you'll see that we have the number 27 times 31. Because you have 2 digits by 2 digits, you will draw a 2 by 2 box. The first number, 27, will be written in expanded notation. So I'm going to go ahead and write 20 and 7. The next number is 31. So I'm going to go ahead and write expanded notation 30 plus 1. Now if you remember, when we're multiplying multiples of 10, all we need to do is count up the zeros in each of the number and put them together, and then just multiply the leftover numbers. So, first number we have is 20 times 30. I see 2 zeros, so I go ahead and put those in the box. And then the 2 numbers I have left to multiply are 2 times 3, which is 6. So I know 20 times 30 is 600. Now, we've got a pretty easy one. 20 times 1 we know is 20, because 1 times any number is that number. Moving over to the next box, we have 30 times 7. I see I only have 1 0, one multiple of 10, so I only put 1 0. Then I have 7 times 3, which is 21. And the last box, we have just a simple multiplication problem, which is 7 times 1. Remember, 1 times any number is that number. Now we're not done yet. We need to go ahead and add all the numbers in the box together to find the product or answer to our multiplication problem. I always list the numbers from greatest to least. So the first number we have is 600. Next number is 210. Remember to line up the numbers by their place value. So we've got ones, tens, hundreds. The next is 20, so the 2 will go into the tens column. And the last number we have is 7. Go ahead and add those all together. Remember, we start from the right and work to the left. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7. Next, moving to the tens place value, so we have 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. We don't need to carry anything over to the hundreds column, so we have 6 plus 2. So we know that our product or our answer to this multiplication problem is 837. Now, the way parents, including myself, learned that I will call old school now. You'll probably remember this. So 7 times 1, we start with the ones, is 7. Next we take the 1 and multiply it by the number in the tens, which is 2. So basically this is like saying 20 times 1, or 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, we're done with our ones. Next we're going to move over to our tens. And we move down to our second row. We need to remember to fill in the ones column, though, with a placeholder or a 0. So now we look at 3 times 7, or actually 30 times 70. So I know 3 times 7 is 21. I put the 1 down, and I carry the 2 over. And last but not least, we have 3 times 2, or 30 times 20. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, or actually 800. And we add those numbers together. So I've got 7 plus 0 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then bring down the 8. And notice both products match up, so we've done this correctly. It's your decision to use whether you like the old school or the box method. It's all up to you.